Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty and the Beast. Today we're going to install a boost gauge on my 2012 R. I've got my NewSouthPerformance boost gauge here. And I just picked up this off Amazon, just a nice little boost tap that will go right here. I was kind of waiting until I was going to get a catch can and I was going to install the catch can to the boost gauge at the same time, but it looks like I'll probably be holding off on the catch can for a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and do this. And first thing I've done obviously is remove the intake. Next thing it looks like I have to do is remove the battery, and then we're going to come in here, remove this panel, take out this vent, headlight switch to tap in with wiring, and then we're going to go for a test drive, so stay tuned. Alright, battery's out. We're going to go, I don't know if you can see it, but we're going to aim for that little nipple right there. Apparently you can just pull that off. Use that to go through with your airline, vacuum line. We're going to hook this guy up right now, run our airline, and then we go inside the car. Alright, so I'm just going to open this here now. See what we got. I think it was like $14 on Amazon, so it's pretty cheap compared to some of the ones that are out there. Like IE says $50 plus $50 of shipping to where I am. That's great. Alright, so that one there, nice 3-port. Looks like no problem. Got a retainer clip, 2 zip ties, three zip ties, and 3 ports. And it looks like one plug. It's interesting. Only one plug. Oh well. Guess we'll just have to cap one of the other ones off. Alright. So all I did is use a little bit of blue thread locker in each one. Got my Allen screw there. Just going to be facing this way, so I didn't want a nipple in any sight here when I do get a cold air intake. And then I just capped this one off with the silicone cap I had laying around the garage. So it should be no problem. If I do end up with any leaks here, I think I might switch to Teflon tape. This screw here was a little bit loose inside the hole, but the thread locker seems to have tightened it up a bit, so we'll see what happens when we actually start driving and using it. Alright, pop this one on. I might end up switching some of these around still, because I was hoping it wouldn't hit the intake here, but it's going to. The only thing that would really get me is having that on top, which isn't a big deal. Put the retainer clip on, and that's on there now. This guy here will go like this again. Boom. And we're ready for a boost gauge now. Next up is the vacuum line. Alright, so I got that nipple off, and all I did, these wires here, they just clip out of the way. Grab a pair of scissors, and you just cut it right where that nipple was. You're left with a perfect tube. You don't have to poke any other new holes. And it's ready for running. Alright, vacuum line is fed. Let's go pull it through from the inside. And here we are. In you come. Take off this panel slot here. Just like that. That's what I did. So bring my vacuum line right up here, up right in along here, around the clip, and then we're gonna go in here through a hole into the vent and into the back of the boost gauge. Alright, to pop of the vent, all I did is stick my finger in here, pushed up, got the front corner here to pop out, and I stick a screwdriver in there to reach on the farther side, and just gently pushed up with the screwdriver while I pulled out, and she comes right out, just like that. Alright, next part's the trim, so just pry these clips up, as well as the 2 on the back here, and that faceplate will come off, and then you just take out the vent slats inside, and the boost pod's ready to be installed. Alright, so everything's out. To get out these, there's just 4 little push pins there and there as well. Just push them in with a small screwdriver. Even if you just push in the top and kind of just pull it down like that, it'll pop right out. Alright, holes made. Now let's go plug in that vacuum line so we can stick our grommet back in there. Put our faceplate back on and we're ready to rock. Do some wiring and go for a drive. So boost gauge is all snapped in. Got our grommet back in there, vacuum line's hooked up. Now, time for wiring. Apparently you just push this in, turn to the right, pull out. Ah, look at that. It's like someone knew what they were talking about. Alright, so I go black to brown or 6, red to black and purple stripe or 4, and then yellow is going to go to the gray one there, or number 10. And those little numbers can be found, if you can see it. There's 5, 1, 6, and then 10's up on that corner there. Headlight back in, vent back in, everything's wired up. I clean these up one way or another here, zip tie them somewhere. Tighten up that vacuum line, put the battery back in, and we're gonna go. Alright, she's all buttoned up, everything's in, got my boost line in, battery's back together, intake's all in. Time to go start it up. Because I'm short. Look at that. A little too bright. I have to find out if the lights are working, but looks like the gauge is working. Oh yeah. Alright, well, looks like we're going for a drive. Alright, lights work. Good news. Alright guys, so that was this video. We got the boost gauge installed, it's all buttoned up, it's working great. One thing I've been wanting to do for a long time, just be able to monitor if I've had any vacuum leaks or anything like that, so it's good to have that, good to be able to keep an eye on it. It looks like I'm peaking at around 21 psi and holding at about 16, 17. So I'll double check in the videos, but that's just what I seen while I was driving. So like and subscribe if you liked the video. There's gonna be more to come. Kyle's car is almost gonna be done soon. We're hoping maybe another month or so tops. I got another project. I got this project sitting here that I haven't unveiled yet. That one's gonna be a long time coming, but I got another one at one of my buddy's houses that he's working on, so we're gonna get some videos on that soon. Other than that, looks like we'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys.
Okay, it's recording. Unreal, dude. Shit. Dude, that was fucked.